Welcome to the in front of me BLACKVIEW BL6000 Pro 5D, and I'll show you how to check battery temperature with Ampere app on this device. So first we should launch the Play Store application, and after that here in the search we'll enter the Ampere. And now we should get this application, so tap to install and wait a couple of seconds while this application downloading and then installing on your device. After that, just click here to open and click yes I agree, pick close. On the left down corner tap to OK. And now here we can see the information with the temperature of our device battery. In my case that's 28.5 degrees. And also here we can see different just another information about our device battery, like the level, capacity, voltage, and the other information like device model, Android version, and more other info. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and to subscribe our channel.